To fix the problem with notifications not working on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you will need to open your MI Fitness app. When the app is opened, select Devices and go for Notifications and Calls. Now select App Notifications. Here make sure that App Notifications is activated. Then you can scroll down and find two options. There's Mirror Phone Notifications, and by default you should enable it, since it should fix any issues with not receiving notifications from some of the apps. But if you want to troubleshoot some apps if they work with that watch, you can enable customized notifications and then select only apps that you want to try if they work with your watch. For example, WhatsApp, you can activate it, and now it's the only app that will send notifications to your watch. Let your friend message you and see if this works. But I strongly recommend to go for mirror phone notifications. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.